Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best book label available online, the 500 pieces 2-inch sticky index tabs. Whether you're a student, a researcher, a teacher, or someone who simply loves organizing, this is the one tool that might change the way you interact with your notes, books, and documents. Let's begin by talking about the sheer quantity. You get a whopping 500 tabs in this set, split across 21 individual packs. That's a lot of organization potential. Each tab measures 2 inches wide, the perfect length to mark pages without covering too much content, and still long enough to write clearly on. One of the standout features here is that these index tabs are not just sticky, they're also writable and repositionable. That means if you place one on a page and realize you want to move it later, no problem. It won't damage your paper and it won't lose its sticking power the first time you use it. And yes, they're actually writable. Whether you prefer pens, pencils, or markers, the surface of these tabs accepts ink smoothly, allowing for neat, legible labels. Now let's talk about color. You're getting 10 different vibrant colors. That's perfect for organizing by category, priority, subject, or any personal system you use. The palette is bright and eye-catching, but not so neon that it becomes distracting. In practical use, this allows you to build a quick mental map of your materials. A glance is all it takes to know where to flip. The material quality also deserves mention. These tabs are made from a durable yet flexible plastic that won't rip, curl, or fade. They hold up really well under repeated use, which is crucial for things like study guides, planners, binders, or even cookbooks. Another highlight is their versatility. These aren't just for books, they're great for file folders, calendars, notebooks, or even wall charts. Students love them for exam prep. Professionals use them to sort project binders. Teachers find them invaluable for organizing lesson plans. They're also popular in creative spaces, for journaling, bullet journals, or crafting projects. Packaging is well thought out too. Each color comes in its own compact, portable pack so you don't have to carry all 500 tabs with you. You can take just what you need for a class, a meeting, or a project session. That alone makes them more convenient than bulky tab sets or sticky note blocks. And let's be real, if you're someone who loves stationery, there's just something satisfying about pulling out a neatly designed index tab, labeling it, and placing it exactly where you want. It's a little touch of order in the chaos of our lives. In summary, the 500 pieces 2-inch sticky index tabs are practical, colorful, durable, and flexible. They bring clarity to your content and structure to your workflow. Whether you're labeling chapters, sorting files, or building the ultimate study guide, this set will make the job easier, faster, and a lot more colorful. That wraps up today's critique. If you're looking for an all-in-one tab solution, we genuinely think this is the best choice out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we test, you decide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay organized.